Hi everyone, it's Maggie. I've never done a short before, so this is kind of a test. So I just wanted to show a picture of my haul from Crafty Me Shop and the DT bag I got along with it. So just show you a couple of quick pieces. This is amazing. So there's that. And there's this one. And then there's appliques. There's this beautiful French piece. Some more trims, appliques, ribbons. And can't remember now if I just said it or not, but I'll do a regular video sometime over the weekend, hopefully. So thanks for watching.